Click on sales data sheet, then add pivot table, click OK. For map chart, I use revenue and region fields. First drag and drop revenue field in values box and state field in rows box. Format these values. Select currency, click OK. I remove this grand total. Click on design. Select off. For some reason, I cannot directly insert map chart in the pivot table. First, I copy these values, then paste here. Select paste as values. Again format these values into currency format. Then select these two columns. Click Insert tab. Then click on Map Chart. So map chart is created. Remove chart title. Then I connect this map chart to the pivot table. Click on select data, then click on add this series, close this series. First I select chart data range. Select this range, then add this series. So by selecting chart data range, I see here series values are automatically selected in this box. Click OK. Then click on horizontal category axis added. I see here the region names are automatically selected in this box. Click OK. Again click OK. So we cannot directly insert map chart in the pivot table. First we need to copy these values, then insert the map chart in these values. After that, connect that map chart to the pivot table values. So copy this map chart and paste in the dashboard sheet. Then I format this map chart. Click on chart design, select this design, remove chart title, then double click on series, click on map label, select show all, then click on series color. For lowest values select red color and maximum values select white color. Then select data labels. I also select no outline. Then I resize this map chart. Increase the height up to 2.17. And decrease the width up to 4.85. I select no fill. So in this way we can add map chart in an Excel worksheet. Next I add here waterfall chart.